Hi everyone. So we have an author, interesting author with us today. She is from Pune and she's going to tell more about herself. First, I would like to tell you that she's an author of Destined to Be Yours. So her name is Komal Tayare. Ms. Komal, please tell us something about yourself.
Hello, everyone. Uh, as Anam has introduced me, I'm the author of Destined to Be Yours, and I'm a writer and a podcaster. I'm working with an IT company right now, but I found my passion into my writing, and currently I'm writing my second book.
Oh, that's interesting, Komal. So first, you tell me about your first book, Destined to Be Yours. I really want to know what is the book, what is the ingredients of the book, and what is it carrying inside.
Destined to Be Yours is a sweet tale of romance between a college couple, Samira and Vivan. They meet at college, they fell in love, and then destiny plays its unfair game. And like every other love story, destiny tastes their patience and their love for each other.
Wow, that's very interesting. So, do you believe in destiny by any chance?
Yes,
How
yes,
much
well,
on a
of course,
percentage
I do believe.
on a scale of 1 to 10? How much do you rely on the destiny?
I think 2 to 3%.
3%. All right.
Not
And
much on destiny, but I believe in my efforts. But yeah, sometimes I believe in destiny.
okay. And what is your second book all about that you're coming up with?
It's a self-help book for women, and it's all about weight loss and the social taboos
Okay.
about PCOD.
I
Um,
think yeah, that's I think that's much needed in today's time. We all need a self-help. I'm a person who's a self-help book reader a lot. So, ever since you've published your book, Komal, has there been any sort of a change that you have observed? Have things around you changed that you've become an author of a book and there's some kind of a change you've observed?
yeah, like people have started knowing me that yeah, you're an author. Yeah, yeah, you have published that book, and people do give feedback about my book, and they
Okay,
have started knowing me as an author.
that's great. So, other than your second book, what is the next big thing that you're planning to do?
Podcasting.
Okay, and what do
Right
you,
now, I'm
sorry?
yeah. Right, right now, I'm doing my podcasting, and yeah, I want to get more into podcasting right now.
Okay, and what do you exactly podcast?
Self-help and book reviews.
Okay. So, is there something that is there something, there's the difference between a podcasting and uh, writing? You're writing a book also, and at the same time, you're podcasting. So, do you feel that there's a difference of content you have, or it's the same content that you're presenting every time?
No. I have to be very creative when I have to podcast,
Okay,
and how to make it more convincible to the audience.
right. So, you have your own channel or something?
Yes,
How?
Komal Tide podcast.
Okay, and we can just log into the channel and start having a yeah. Oh, that's
Yeah,
interesting.
yeah.
That's interesting. So, Komal, what was the reaction of your family members when you came up with this book, Destined to Be Yours, and that to a love story? So, what was their take on this?
My family was super excited to read as I was blogging since a long time. And when I started writing this novel, I almost finished my first draft, and
Yeah.
then I told that I'm writing a novel, and they were super excited. I like nobody thought that I could write a novel, and yeah, the
And that
reaction
to
was
a love
super cool.
story. And that to a love
Yeah,
story. So
yes.
how come this whole idea of love story came to your mind that you have to write a love story?
Actually, this plot came a long back, but since I'm working full time, so I never got that amount of time. But when there was a lockdown, I got a lot of time to work on that plot.
Okay. So this entire plot is fiction. There is nowhere. It's not based on anything living or dead. Like not on the true incidents.
Yeah, it is.
It is.
It is inspired. Yeah, it is inspired by few real life incidents. Not from my life, but yeah, as from my surrounding.
From your surroundings. That's nice. We often take experiences and we pen them down. But you have presented the book as a fiction book, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yes.
Yes. That's wonderful. So, is there something that you want to say to your readers? You want to give a message or something like that?
Yeah, my book Destined to Be Yours is inspired by real life incidents and stories. It's a cool story with a touch of reality. You'll find a fairy tale romance in my novel, but it will bring you to the reality which we face in day-to-day life, and what unfair games destiny plays, or everything is not going to work according to you. And the line from my book is, we never know whom we are going to stay with and who is destined to be a part of our life. So my book is based on real life incidents and stories.
Okay, that's interesting. And I'm sure Komal wants to also tell this to the readers that the book is available on almost all the platforms. Let's inform them. So guys, the book is available on Amazon, Kindle, Flipkart and all the other platforms. So you can buy it. The people who are fond of reading love stories, Destined to Be Yours would be one book that you're going to love this season a lot. And thank you so much, Komal, for being here, and thank you so much for taking out time for this. We wanted to let the book to come down to the people, and we've done it gracefully. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.